Delaware, a hidden gem of the East, where charm and beauty never cease. From the bustling cities to the coastal shores, this state has much to offer, that's for sure. Wilmington, the largest city in this land, boasts a rich history and experiences grand. Stroll along the riverfront, where art comes alive, or explore the captivating Brandywine Valley vibe. In Dover, the capital, history takes the stage, with museums and landmarks that will engage. Step back in time at the First State Heritage Park, and learn about Delaware's role in our nation's arc. But it's not just about history and culture. Delaware's natural beauty is a true allure. From Cape Henlopen's sandy beaches so pristine, to the tranquil marshes of Bombay Hook, serene, enthusiasts will surely be pleased, with plenty of parks and trails to appease. Hike, bike, or kayak through the lush and feel the stress melt away like gentle drapes. Delaware's charm extends beyond its borders, with friendly locals and welcoming orders. Whether you're a resident or just passing through, Delaware's warmth and beauty will embrace you. So come and discover the wonders it holds, in the small but mighty state of stories untold. Delaware, a place where memories are made, a home that will forever be cherished and laid.